Let's jump right in this thing. I done already set my guideline by using my knuckles and lining with the bridge of the nose, going to the corners. Notice when I'm combing, I comb down, cut, forward, cut, down, cut using the natural hairline. Using my Andes Slimline Pro LIT blades. A good rule of thumb, you don't want to overdo it because sometimes you can push your hairline back when you got like those tight hairlines. Performing this hairline, you have to really be patient, take your time. The wrong technique, push the line back. That'll be a bad day. Then I go to the other side and I pick up the hairline and I start this same technique over again, start with my guideline. And I perform the same thing, comb down, comb forward, using my T-liners, taking my time, combing it down, combing it forward. Yeah, I'm gonna put the how-to down in the descriptions on what I use and how the steps that I take to achieve the PD13 or the 2020 J Myers. You see how clean it is? I'm gonna get it close up, at precision. Now that's what you call crispy right there. Crispy, ooh-wee. Yeah, that's just one way you can achieve the PG-13, or what I like to call the J Myers.
They talking, we don't hear that shit out here that these niggas be talking. They talking, we don't hear that shit out here that these niggas be talking. Bitch said she gon' put me out, I'm getting my shit and moving. That same night I'm at the movie chillin' with my new bitch. Maneuver like a Uber, bitch, you out here acting stupid. Shootin' with your friends, bitch, you knowin' you ain't gon' do shit. They clueless, they foolish. I cut that bitch just like a steak, now me and Bed Roof Chris. That true shit. That true shit. I rake that money like some leaves that's falling off.